Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be learning about how we can load our custom documents. So if you go to the LangChain documentation, you will see we can also load different documents with the help of LangChain. So you can load, let's say, custom documents, let's say any kinds of file format, CSV, then a file directory, HTML, JSON, Markdown, okay, Microsoft Office, PDF, text, Twitter, okay. Any kinds of documents you can load with the help of this LangChain. Even you can also connect different, let's say, platform. You can also connect Slack. You can also connect, let's say, Discord. And from there also you can extract the data. It's like very powerful, guys. You can go through the documentation. You will get each and every idea. Even they have also given the code snippet. Okay, how we can, let's say, connect with different, let's say, document format and how we can load the documents. Fine. See, always try to remember whatever, let's say, data we are loading inside LangChain, it would be considered as a document. Let me show you one example. So here, let's say I want to load one PDF documents. Let's say PDF I want to load. Let's say I'm having one PDF. Let me show you. So this is my research paper, guys. This is my research paper, guys. I published some years back. You can see I'm the author. So this is the author. Okay, I'm the author. Now you can see this paper is about actually development of multiple combined regression method for the rainfall measurement. Okay, and this paper is already published in the ResearchGate. Let me show you. If you go to my LinkedIn profile, this is my LinkedIn profile. You can connect me on LinkedIn, guys. You can follow me. So if you have any question, you can ask me there. I'll try to reply. Now see, if I show you this particular publication, so see, this is what I've already added. Now if I open this publication, see, this is the publication and this is in the ResearchGate. Okay, even if you open the Google Scholar also, you will get it there. So this PDF actually I have downloaded, this paper PDF I have downloaded. Now what I will do, I'll just try to load the documents. Okay, whatever let's information I'm having in this, let's say, PDF, I want to extract these are the information. For this I'll be using LangChain. So let me show you. First of all, I need to install one package called PyPDF. Now let me upload that PDF here. So my paper, I'll upload it here. Now see, it is getting uploaded. You can use any kinds of documents, guys. Docs, TXT, CSV, JSON, anything. And again, visit the documentation, you will get all the code snippet. Let's say you want to use JSON. So this is the JSON, okay, JSON loader you have to use. Let's say you want to load CSV. You have to use CSV loader for this, okay. Now I'll be loading something called PDF. That's why I'll be using PDF loader. Okay, now see, this is updated. Now I'm importing this PDF loader from LangChain. You can see document loader, PDF loader. Now here you have to give the location of the file. Let's say this is my location. Okay, now you have to call loader.load. Now see, it will automatically extract all the information. And this data would be considered as a document. Let me show you. Always try to remember inside LangChain, inside Generative AI, all the data would be considered as a documents. Okay, that's why I think you remember in the vector database session, I was talking about documents. Okay, chunking documents, these are the thing. Okay, now I think you got it. Now see, it has extracted all the pages. Now see, this is considering as a document. This is the type of documents right now and all the information present inside my paper. Got it? Now we can use this data to implement any kinds of RAG based application. That means with the help of vector database, I can store these are the data with the help of embeddings, and I can connect my large language model and I can ask some information there. Okay, don't need to worry. I'll be explaining this RAG concept and all. Okay, why RAG is important, why we have to create the RAG. Even we'll be also learning about fine tuning. Okay, how we can, let's say, take our custom data and we can perform the fine tuning. As of now, we have learned the fundamentals of LangChain. And I think I covered almost everything about the LangChain, whatever things you need to work with the LangChain. But I will show you some more advanced concept of the LangChain. This will also help you. Okay. So yes, so this is all about from this video. I hope you liked it. So if you have liked this video, guys, so please try to subscribe the channel, try to support the channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you next time.